Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta jong kamat Jingïalang ba jong ka Keane College Parent Teachers Association ne ke annual general meeting AGM kabalalong ha kasmi sajan arpun retering kene ka seng kala pelong da Jingkren Halor ka pangpdeng parenting challenging social evils kaba ikong perli marang ibalong counselor la batai benia Halor ki jingma kiba abi ki khana samla lengba ka jingpono kambakla ya ka internet hakaba kilong parlok bat kiwei pat ki breu hakane ki Jingkren la kan tujo re ki kmi ki kpa barlong ki ba husiar bat kumjo ban pelot por khambon bat laki khon khanang bakin la ne ki jingsneu ki ba harukom sakawai pat ka benta ka basongkon hakane ke AGM kalong bala yo ya ka registration certificate ne ki bor jong ka registrar of societies bala itu ya kene ka seng da ka sarkar la ban kadau bakadai ka sien ka baar bakane ka executive committee kala pelong ya kom kene ka jelang ki wede ki nongkran hakane ka si kentop ya ka principal jong kene ka college I Dr. Mrs. C Masar u president jong ka association u ba riwa rembai bat la yo ru ya ka kai phot rekam jong ne ka seng no secretary u ba jo thank you hakaba panwai no ya ka jelang ya ka vote of thanks la ai de ikong AA1 khar I balong ka treasurers jong ka Keane College Parent Teachers Association.
It is so easy, it is so nice to be called a dad or a mom. So the not how when you're so gifted, and sometimes when you're just married, dan should have shown dan should offer or pinsalong papa, pinsalong me. You feel so good, so the not you like that. But to be parents is not enough. To be a dad, to be a mom is not enough. You have to also do parenting. That means bringing up your children the right way. So therefore, parenthood without godly, good parenting is another social evil.